will start. Let's go.
Rahul, before we start the episode, I hope we have enough recording limit this time. Just to bring to our listeners notice, we had a guest last week while recording. The episode was going very well. And when the episode ended, we realized that in Rahul's laptop, there was no space. So the entire one and a half hour recording went for a toss. So Rahul, what would you like to say to the listeners?
I apologize, guys.
Irrespective, we are very sorry for what happened, guys, and we will ensure, and most importantly, Rahul will ensure that shit like this doesn't happen again. So guys, times are messed up, and this weekend primarily I was thinking कि यार बचपन में इतने सुखी रहते थे, क्या करते थे? So I just got to thinking कि there was lots of things we used to do. We used to find pleasure, and I was thinking like in my house inside Jameen pe, there are these black lines, okay, which divide into different tiles. I would like to show you from my laptop, but I will not do that. And I used to play lava on the floor. I don't know how many of you guys used to. I used to avoid jumping on those black lines in order to avoid. And then there was another game I used to do. I used to stay on the sofas and I used to pretend I'm falling, but I used to hold on because there was lava at the lava at the ground. I used to jump from one sofa to another, and I remember I used to entertain myself for hours by doing shit like that
without being on your phone. Most
without being.
I was like, how do you live like that anymore? You know,
pre-phone time, before phones came into childhood and
even if we put out the four elements, चलो ये नहीं बोलते कि phone नहीं था, but क्या lava on the floor में 3 घंटा हम खेल लेता था. I remember I used to do that Chris Benoit. You guys remember the WWE wrestler? So he had this. I used to try finishers by jumping from the sofa onto the sofa का handle to the sofa. I used to practice finishers.
I'm
Jeff
glad
Hardy
you
का
didn't
वो
break yourself.
हाँ, जेफ हार्डी उलट के मारता था. ये बटिस्टा बॉम हम तकिए के साथ करता था. क्या क्या नहीं करता था ब्रो.
ये that avoiding the lava thing that you do randomly when you're walking on an unknown floor also, when you're going somewhere.
Dude, even now, I will never step on those lines. I'll always walk, like I'll try to find my way. Like I'll take a chota step to avoid the line if I have to.
You guys are men of cultures. Men of culture. Sorry. Yes. Good job.
So
that used to be fun, man.
But you know,
what else?
So I mean, not trying to digress from the topic, but at the end of the like, phones have really spoiled us. It's like we used to go out to play 3 hours of football. Now it's 3 hours on that football manager game. You know.
So basically, your conversations are going to be like those old uncles who are going to be like, what has come to the generation today? Us time pe kya tha?
Hey, we are still part of the generation. We're screaming at ourselves, literally.
But पता है एक वापस we'll come back to the childhood topic only. But राहुल ये वाला जो बात है ना, I heard this guy saying that day कि तुम कितना दूर भागोगे. It's what it is right now. You can't forcibly tell your child not to spend the time on the phone when the entire world is. Right, that your child will be left behind. Very interesting thing. I think we can talk about it in the other episode.
Today is all about a nostalgia trip. You're supposed to feel good about shit that you did while you were a kid. When I say childhood, I say childhood, what exactly comes to your mind? How did you spend those hours and hours doing absolutely God knows what at home? So we'll start with each and every one, and have our listener also have a childhood trip with us.
110%. I mean, I started with that sofa game.
Let's go to Rahul. Rahul, what did you
do? So anything to do with a ball, like anything, literally. It's like things from, you tie a sock to like a branch of a tree and you put a ball inside and you just play cricket with it. Just keep knocking it, knocking your bat. That's one thing. I used to take a cricket stump and just bowl at it for hours. Because we had that veranda kind of thing where it was just like you put it and there's a wall behind it. So the ball always came back.
जहाँ हम लोग baseball खेलते थे क्या वहाँ पर?
Yeah, basically, yeah. So I used to keep practicing for hours. And, it was such a big revelation. So a couple of months, December, my cousin came. Okay. And we had, we got another mattress, like a thick mattress. And
States.
Huh?
He came to the States.
No. So he was visiting us, like me, in Chicago So he lives in New Jersey. So he was visiting me, and he's also very like into sports and everything. So it's cool. He's like 11 years old now. And it reminded me so much of my childhood days because I used to throw the ball and he used to dive onto the mattress and catch. And my dad used to do the same thing with me. Like he used to come back home and he used to just like for hours he just used to do that. You know how that feeling used to be so cool when he's like, oh, what a catch, you know, like I caught this, right?
And then he used to jaan mushkil catch it with one hand and then do a somersault just to pure.
Yeah.
Bhai kya catch pakda.
So that was nice.
खुद ही wall पे वार करके ऐसे reflect होता था.
Yeah. Did you guys also have this? Okay, fine. Go on. I'll talk about this later.
But I mean, anything that was basically it. You take like a football, also just kicking it against the wall. You used to play tennis against the wall. Anything, literally anything. So that used to be fun. Cycling on your own without music. Just going out there and just cycling.
But like cycling with music is a bad idea. But
yeah, dude, you guys have seen my building, right? And as a child, मेरे पास cycle था, मेरे को बाहर जाना allowed नहीं था. So I remember Dhananjay and I, my neighbor, we used to just cycle this, like just, how to explain it? Tuck.
Around the building, basically.
Yeah, around the building, and there's not even like a full circle. We had to come back. We used to do that for 3-4 hours. Now I'm like, how? But it used to be so much of fun. I remember he had a skateboard. I used to get my cycle, and then Arnav used to get those. Remember that pair wala scooter?
Yeah, the scooters.
Then I used to get so inspired. Koi mil gaya. Then even I bought because I was like, bhai, mere ko bhi chalana. I got this fancy one with light in the, in the wheels. It used to be so much fun, man.
मेरा इंसिडेंट है ये जो राहुल बोला ना ऐसे सॉक से बॉल लटका के मारना. So at that time, I had this house where there was this huge veranda, okay, Tivoli Court pe. So over there was this branch coming out, on the other side, and I hung one sock to the branch, and the sock which I put was like a black sock, okay, and I started hitting it with the bat. Now what happened was that the crows started accumulating around me, because the crows thought that this sock was a dead crow that I was whacking.
Okay. Fuck.
So this entire jhund of crows were like, ऐसे करके, like I'm this tormentor of their little brethren. And then my mom came, okay, with like a helmet and with an umbrella.
Auntie, so cute.
She came and she took me out of there and back inside the house. They were almost about to, but like the attack.
Thank you. I got reminded of an incident when I used to stay in Baliganj, okay, where that red house, or where was I staying? I don't remember. I vaguely remember this. You could oversee this छोटू jungle type of, not jungle एक होता है ना, कुछ लोगों का backyard होता है जो पूरा खराब होता है, मतलब कोई कुछ ध्यान में नहीं रखता है. तो वहां पर हम लोग नीचे देखते थे. So we used to be able to see these trees and these nests. Okay, so we used to be able to see it from like downwards. I remember this one day I was on the terrace with my dadi. All right, my dadi was just picking up something from the balcony. I was just walking or something, so she was looking down. Crows started kya, and one of them actually went and darted and hit her here. Whoa. And then I got scared. Then we ran inside. I got scared at the same time. I got fascinated. So what I used to do for fun was go to the balcony, was go to the chat, I think it was, just take a peek, and then I used to run back in just for the thrill of it. I wanted crows to come. I would dodge them and then go home and tell a story. But it was
your IQ is a little low, no?
Bro, that was fun, bro. I'm daring.
Just he was pretty small. That
good fun, bro.
I know. I'm just kidding.
There was one more incident I remember. I was very fascinated with army uniform. Okay, na. ठीक है ना, but मेरे पास था नहीं. I remember this one day, everybody went out, had gone. I was at home, and I had told my mom specifically, मेरे को वो camouflage वाली pant लाके देना. I didn't say camouflage, then I said green and yellow color वाली pant लाके देना. And I was very excited. I had set up my entire room with full of soldiers, chota. I had a toy gun, and I was pretending that then I would proper do a war or something. ठीक है ना, because through my balcony you can jump inside the room. So I was like, we'll do all of that. Then my mom, my sister, dad came back. They did not bite. I cried for half an hour, 45 minutes because I was looking very excited for it. Then my mom, I'll come and play with you. She said, don't worry. Then we went, and then there used to be these homeopathic medicine, जिसमें छोटा white wala hota hai. So I asked mommy, ek wo leke aao. Then mom got, and then I told her, you take one pill and I'll take one pill. She's like, what are you saying? Then कोई तो था, मम्मी लाके दी. She's like, अभी मम्मी इसको खा लिया, हम लोग अभी मरेंगे नहीं. And then we were just shooting, we were just pretending to shoot this me and my mom. I don't even know how my mom did that for half an hour.
Such
But
nice
it
innocent
was
fun.
beautiful. I still haven't got those camouflage pants though, but it was amazing, man. It was. I have very vivid memory of it.
Never happy.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I was very happy, bro. I was very happy. I have so many things to say. एक और मेरे को incident याद आ गया. अच्छा बोल.
बोल दे अभी तू एक और.
तुम लोग को हाँ मेरे को ना एक लड़का था हमारे स्कूल में, मेरे को याद है, ये लोग अमीर वाला लोग होता था ना, ये लोग बड़ा बड़ा गेम खेलता रहता था, GTA ये GTA वो, एंड मेरे में कुछ चलता नहीं था, एंड प्लस इट वाज एक्सपेंसिव.
What is he talking about?
अरे एक्सपेंसिव दे वर, ठीक है ना, कंप्यूटर गेम्स. I had this fascination of playing GTA San Andreas because I'd seen, I was very fascinated that there you could actually build muscles, you could go to the gym and you could build muscles. And then I remember from one of my birthdays, my dad got it and I was crying. I was so happy. I took the game, put it against my chest, and I just lied down on the ground, crying, laughing in happiness. I mean,
got GTA San Andreas.
Yeah, about GTA San Andreas, bro. And it was amazing.
Never played
it's the best game,
you
bro.
Never
Till
played
date,
GTA San Andreas.
Rahul, you have lost at life, my friend.
I think you lost out on childhood. Huh?
Bro, I'm playing GTA 5 now because I just love GTA so much.
Okay. Now,
anyway,
coming back, I think one central point out of all three of our childhood stories, we can go on and have different childhood stories. But I think a central point would be, since we've all gone to the same school, we have different kind of shit that we did in school while growing up to spend the time. जैसे free period जब होता था हम लोग क्या करते थे, जैसे अगर break time होता था क्या करते थे हम लोग. We used to have like 2 breaks. We had to have a short break, which was like a 20-minute break, and then we used to have a long break, which was a 50-minute break.
50 minutes, bloody hell, that used to be so long. That's when school used to be from 9 to 3.
9 to 3.
First of all, I never understood why the fuck did we have 2 breaks. Okay, जरूरत ही नहीं था 2 break का.
Bro, come on, bro.
Short break tiffin, long break खेलो. 50 minute.
Yes.
हाँ, पर जो भी ये schedule बनाया ना, उसको मतलब hats off. Thanks to him, we've done so much.
And Thursdays used to be off. Saturday used to be school.
Oh yeah, Thursday and Sunday.
Jesuit school का ये nonsense होता था.
When did it stop though?
Fourth or fifth grade.
When did it?
Fourth.
Yeah, 5th grade. Yeah, 4th to 5th, 4th class. हाँ.
तो उस टाइम हम लोग क्या करते थे? Break time में how did you spend it?
My mom used to give me 2 tiffins, short के लिए and long के लिए. तो अलग ही लेवल पे ममता थी उनकी. छोटा ब्रेक में खाया, कुछ नहीं करते थे. Then long break, I'm talking about just primary section. Eat and then just go run on the field and start playing something. I think you guys will be able to say what we used to play.
It's in class 1, I remember it started with catch and catch. And then it went to, you play tag or whatever. You run after each other. One person is the
lock and key.
Yeah, lock and
dinner.
Key. Right, dinner. Oh my God.
How the fuck do you spell dinner? Can somebody tell me? How do you spell dinner?
I don't know how to. DENNER.
I guess. But
I don't know how that
progressed like from outside school, like outside in the break, it also progressed to within the classroom. So it was like things like pen fight, sharpener fight. There used to be used to play tic-tac-toe also. And remember when we used to draw a football field and we used to put our 11 players, and with the pen we used to go like that, we're scoring, we're passing, etc. Use a scale.
What is that game called?
I have no idea.
Dude, do you remember that game?
ऐसे.
Yeah.
Used to do this basically. ऐसे करके, ऐसे you drop it.
Yeah,
and the line the pen makes is the pass.
Yeah.
Rahul, you भी कुछ तुम जगा दिया मेरे दिमाग में.
That was a good game.
That was. How did we think of that also, bro?
Dude, I have no idea. I have no idea how we started playing such games.
That was, I think थोड़ा explanation दिया, थोड़ा explain करो कैसे होता था game. It's थोड़ा technical. मतलब it's like that.
This is the field.
It's थोड़ा football.
Yeah. So this is the field, guys. Yeah, Georgie 4-4-2 formation बना है, मैं जो भी formation बना है. And then we used to pass like with pencil kachak. So if it reaches that player, the pass is on. If it's very close to the player, still the pass is on. But if the pass is astray, then it will be like the other opponent team's player closest to it, and then you can take a shot as well. And if it's, oh my God.
So
अभी तक
basically,
I don't think लोगों को समझ में आया होगा.
the direction of the pass has to be towards your player or towards the goal. If the
Yeah,
direction is
and then the main thing was we used to use a scale or a ruler. I don't know what it's called ideally.
To measure.
To see which direction is appropriate. There used to be so many arguments over that also. It's like, no, this is not right. And then you'd have so many pen marks on that paper. You'd be like, okay, we call off the game because now I can't figure out where the pen mark is going.
We used to play with a pencil and we used to erase it after every goal. We should try to erase it after every goal.
Those were good times, man.
We started playing hand cricket. Do you guys
वो
remember
था
that?
वो ₹5 आलोकदा का बॉल से.
Alokda ka ball.
Rubber ball.
And the best part, we used to tie, the good players used to tie a napkin around their hands and then we used to use that to hit because ऐसे लगता था. Cool बनने के लिए भी कुछ लोग पहन के मारते थे. Rahul, you remember that class 4 versus class 5 game?
Yeah,
we were playing like a proper elite competition.
I was like, in class 4, how it is, you're like, oh, like you're eligible to be part of the school team, huh? And then suddenly you grow these pair of balls from God knows where, and you're like, bro, let's challenge class 5. And then you don't realize that class 5 is far superior to you. And fact was, I think in football and in cricket, they were better than us, in my opinion. And I think Georgie will also.
Soccer बोलने वाला था जो ये पता ना soccer बोलने वाला था एक थप्पड़ खाता ना मेरे से अंग्रेज का बच्चा.
हाँ फिर क्या हुआ soccer में?
No, but whatever. We played cricket, and then it was just hand cricket in the break. Bowling, spinning the ball, and trying to hit the ball. And I remember we lost on the last ball because one of our very close friends at the time in class 4 bowled, and then one of our not so close friends did not take the catch, and then we lost.
I have no recollection of this. मुझे याद नहीं. मैं नहीं था शायद वो match के time.
अबे तू भी था. सब all the premium players were there. I remember this hand cricket.
I love how Ishmi thinks he was a premium player.
अबे hand cricket too. I was also, guys. Everybody knows. I was in the school team for football. Cricket team. Shandeep Pan broke my leg. He wrote sorry to me in my yearbook. उसके बाद से मेरा football cricket कभी खेला ही नहीं.
That regret of yours has been constant for the last 10 years.
Bro, obviously,
but everyone should know the story. Why were you not selected in the cricket team you said in the football team?
I was there, blue and white tournament. I have the trophy also. Cricket team. So I think 1 month before that we were playing football. It was raining. Not raining, मतलब होता है ना ठंडा वैसे हवा वाला मौसम था. Shandeep Pan slide tackled me. So then I thought my leg is okay. थोड़ा घूम गया था. I was like ठीक है. I played for a long time and then came back home. Gone.
So you sprained
like
it.
crap. Then I didn't because I was. Huh?
You sprained it. You didn't break it.
It was a like bad sprain. फूल गया था पैर पूरा. So then the cricketing was happening. List में नाम आ गया था. Sir told Pinto Patro sir कि sir please give me 2 days. Tuesday को होने वाला था वो Thursday तक का stretch किए थे. I didn't go to a regular doctor because I wanted that injury to go away. I went to this bone setter who stays in Bihala. And what he does, it takes your leg and then just kajak. I went through all of that just to make sure my leg was okay. I went to sir. It was still swollen. He's like, show me your foot. I'm like, sir, no. When I saw my foot, he said, Ishmeet, I can't. I remember I cried in front of all. There were at least 10, 12 Joe Rahul. I was crying. That. I was bawling.
Yeah, usually cricket as a breath wise. So then one person basically, Ishmeet was fielding. Okay? And Ishmeet's dad was definitely there. My help was there, and I think my mom was also there. Okay, so then suddenly someone hits a ball in the air. Okay, comes towards Ishmeet. Ishmeet about to catch it. Okay, everyone expectantly looking. Ishmeet will catch it. Ishmeet going under it. Finally, he drops it.
Yeah.
Okay, he drops it. But that's not the end of the story.
I know what you're gonna say.
He goes to his dad, who's standing outside, okay, and he tells him, "Koi baat nahi, Papa. Next time."
I do not remember this incident at all, but yeah, it was really funny. I don't know. There was.
It's not his dad telling him, "Ki koi nahi, next time." He went to his dad. His dad.
ये तुमको राइस भैया स्टोरी सुनाया ना तो तुम तो था नहीं आज वो घुमा के सुनाए वो पॉसिबली नहीं
घुमा के सुनाया होगा. I believe 100%.
Cricket से याद है Rahul was a star cricketer in school until class 3. Okay ना? I remember this. We used to play Costco ball cricket. वो field को divide करके 2 बार. Rahul and I were batting. I had this Larson's का bat. Rahul, do you remember this?
This is class 3B,
Purple
yeah.
grip. Purple grip.
Yeah. हाँ वो राहुल का तो SS365 था साला बैट याद है मेरे को राहुल
Yeah,
का राहुल का SS365 था मेरे पास वो लार्सन्स का था राहुल and I have a partnership okay ना I ran Rahul came first ball he hit it for a 6 then he hit it for a 4 then we ran again then I remember मैं sweep करके 4 मारा उसके बाद आशीष प्रकाश was fielding he left the ball then again Rahul came then he hit a 6 and then the entire school was like Rahul and they all came and patted his hair and Rahul was like best player in school and all.
You know, that was my biggest regret. My biggest regret was that time I could bat. But when it came to a deuce ball, I was very scared of the ball.
Yeah, obviously.
So I was like, I will not bat. That's why I got into bowling, because it's safer. Not because of anything else. Yeah.
What else did we used to do? और क्या करते थे हम लोग?
There were so many things. I mean, so many small games you just play. What?
Beyblade.
Oh yeah.
And Rahul had 30 Beyblades, bro. मेरे को मेरे माँ बाप एक नहीं ला के देते इसमें 30 Beyblade था घर पे.
वही इसमें तू कौन सा खरीदा पहला Beyblade कौन सा था?
I'll tell you. Trigger. The guy who Kai था ना वो Kai.
Kai Dronzer was
white. No, Dronzer was the villain. The white guy used to wear that white clothes.
Gray, yeah, he had a yin yang sign.
Yeah, I had his उसका trigger था I think. Gold trigger या trigger ऐसे कोई नाम था. I had that beast.
अबे Kai villain नहीं था. Kai was that guy with blue thing.
Kai was.
I
उसका lagoon था तो.
There was wait. I needed my Beyblade. Where do I go to buy a Beyblade? I went to fucking Pantaloons, okay, to buy a Beyblade. God knows why. I don't even know. Still know where do you get good Beyblades?
मेरे घर के पास तो मिलता था quality.
ठीक है, whatever. So basically, the Beyblade was supposed to point of buying a Beyblade is so that you fight with other Beyblades and your Beyblade wins. Now, if you buy a cheapo Beyblade, which might cost some $100 or $120 or something, if you buy Vesa and this Aman Lalka had a metal Beyblade.
Yeah, those metal gold medal ones. Yeah, I remember those.
Heavy. It's like
bro, injury.
ये copper इसका weight था. ठीक है. Now that hit my one and my metal broke in two and flew. I was sad because that was an expensive thing for me to own a Beyblade and that just broke. I was depressed.
You never go against a metal Beyblade. You know, once something like I remember after your incident only, I told my dad to buy me a metal Beyblade. He got me too. I remember this after this incident only.
So you only profited after my loss.
You know there also used to be these sparkly Beyblades. They used to crash and then sparks nikalta tha. Did you guys have any of those?
I did this. I didn't do that. I did that. Remember there was this one person's Beyblade which had a spring niche, so it used to jump.
Pegasus. वो तो नया वाला था. नहीं.
One character. I think Ash is some. Person who doesn't Beyblade that much. So what I used to try to do.
Ash was Pokemon.
Exactly.
The main protagonist. The main protagonist ka analyst. Okay, whatever. She was a side character. Uska Beyblade was this naya anokha sa, which had a spring niche. Okay. So what I did, I took my normal Beyblade. I took out a ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen के अंदर SSM में spring होता था. वो स्प्रिंग निकाल के मैं बेब्लेड के नीचे लगाया फिर मैं लेट इट रिप किया फिर देखा कि स्प्रिंग बाउंस करता है कि नहीं
एंड नहीं किया
स्प्रिंग गया उधर बेब्लेड गया उधर
इससे याद है ये जो इनोवेशन तो बोला स्प्रिंग लगा के remember there used to be this time we used to be like build these robots like pencil box में या रबर करके स्केल लगा के रबर बैंड से बांध के दो पेंसिल लगा के or was I the only one doing it?
I don't remember doing this very honestly. I'm sorry.
So मतलब पेन स्केल है उस पे दो पेंसिल लगा के फिर एक रबर बैंड लगा के एक रबर में अंदर पेंसिल का ढक्कन लगा के all these things. You guys didn't make those kind of robots?
No, Ishmael.
Achha, guys, if anybody of our listeners has done this, please make me feel a little better and DM us. वरना मेरे को बहुत awkward लगेगा. But yeah, I used to do that also.
क्या था ये? Do that and what was the purpose of it?
Just like then we used to just compare कि किसका ज़्यादा badass दिख रहा है. बस वही होता था. कभी-कभी ऐसे लड़ाई भी करते थे, but उसका कुछ काम नहीं था.
You know,
it should be fun, bro.
For us, going into an all-boys school, It's very stereotypical. I will agree. And again, it's something we've addressed before. But anyway, how did you stand out? You had to be good at sports. Your sporting ability made you popular. So हम लोग तीनों के लिए तो it was like cool. Like we used to play all sports. Remember? It's like whatever we had from Kho to like, you know, even we had to get selected in relays. You know?
तो ऐसा नहीं था कुछ मतलब
That's the only gold medal I got. Class 3 we
yeah, of course I do.
I was short and fat. I didn't even got into running. The fact that I got into the football team only was a miracle somehow.
No, but your I think your football and cricket ability was superior to ours at least.
I used to be the wicket keeper batsman. I remember. I used to do wicket keeping.
Wicket keeping to nahi. I mean, he did little bit, but he never did for the school. Shreyansh Murarka did. Shreyansh Murarka and Avinash Singh, worst keepers ever. I'm sorry to say, but horrible.
ऐसा होता है.
If it was a wide, it was going all the way back.
That is so true.
तो लेग साइड में बाय होने से मतलब एटलीस्ट विकेट कीपर धोनी का पकड़ता था ना. यहाँ पे मतलब बाय कोई रन नहीं है. बाय में फोर जाने से फोर नहीं है वो. तो श्रेयांश used to just look at the ball, go ahead. No attempt at.
Otherwise every team would have scored like 50 runs because हर बार wide ही जाता था. बहुत बार wide जाता था bro.
Anshuman used to bowl. Then तो at least like 6 balls में से 5 balls like that. So why
guys, did you guys remember? So that I'll tell you, I think the once you used to play cricket ना कोई बहुत अच्छा चीज होता था. I had this immediate reaction of looking up. You know, as if there is like a screen showing. I don't know. I used to have because cricket हम लोग TV पे देखते थे ना.
Look up.
I used to look for a replay.
Replay क्या होगा? Inter school matches में there used to be like people sitting, no?
Yeah, on the balconies and stuff.
मैं school.
Yeah, that was the चस्का.
अरे हम लोग सब cheer करता था स्कूल याद है यार. टूर्नामेंट फाइनल्स हुआ था जूलियन डे के साथ 4 versus 5. We are blue, we are white. Completed.
We are Xavier's Dynamite.
Xavier's.
Okay.
There was one more. No, we're gonna do this first. What was it? We are blue. We are amazing.
That was the main one.
एक और था.
No.
और कुछ नहीं था भाई, यही था.
We are blue. We are white. We are Xavier's Dynamite.
I don't know if you remember.
Xavier's. Yeah. Nice. याद है. Cool. Nice.
Anyway, I was saying, so Anurag, who is one of our very close friends, so I don't know if you guys remember, so he was in the B team in cricket, class 5, and this was like the match before the semi-finals, still group stage or whatever. The guy, he was bowling 6 wickets in 6 balls. He had 3 runouts and 3 wickets. I was like, huh?
हम लोग उस टाइम वो रसना और चॉप खा रहा था. वो हम लोग का मैच हो गया था उस टाइम पे. We were in the back वाला कैंटीन वाला एरिया. तब अनुराग कर रहा था ये सब.
That used to be so fun ना. हम लोग को अभी जो भी स्कूल टूर्नामेंट ऐसे होता था वो दादा आके देते थे रसना, समोसा, चॉप. It used to be so nice, so thoughtful.
But like I feel वो जो राहुल जो point बोला, I feel sad कि like मतलब we had थोड़ा sports that we could do, थोड़ा build our self-confidence, stand out थोड़ा सा.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, but for other people who didn't have sports, I think school could have been a sad place.
Possibly. What else was there? Music?
I feel like if you had the right, if you found people with similar interests or who are like you, then it's okay. You know? I mean, there were like we were never the ones to like study all day, all night. But some people did do that, but they also had their own friends who were like that. So between them, there was competition.
Rahul को मैं पढ़ाता था.
Oh yeah, guys, biology especially. Sounds weird, but yeah.
Biology, पूरा digestive system from the fucking mouth to the fucking anus. Okay, how food goes over a call.
Got him.
My landline.
32958740.
8740. Rahul.
Always.
I remember Joe's. I'll never forget Joe's line number.
एग्जाम के पहले पूरा समझा दिया.
बहुत एक प्यारा इंसिडेंट याद है जो मेरे को राहुल, my mom that is she still loves Rahul, okay. Class 4 I'd gotten chicken pox.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And I remember we used to, all the three of us used to get honor. Remember सब मतलब honor आता था पढ़ाई में, अच्छा ही होता था, A+ मिलता ही था. Anyway
honor
मेरे
is
को
basically honor card about
yeah, honor था, merit था, फिर token of effort था.
Token of effort if you improved very well throughout the year.
Yeah, scam. Anyway, so class 4 I got chicken pox and then I couldn't come, so मेरे उस समय एग्जाम स्टार्ट मतलब ब्लॉक टेस्ट जिसको बोलते थे स्टार्ट होने वाला था, ठीक है ना. तो my mom got worried कि पढ़ाई इतना क्लासेस वासेस मिस हो रहा था, पढ़ाई मिस हो रहा था. So then my mom called up Rahul's mom and they're like, whatever is happening in school, if you could please just tell us also, something of that sort. So I remember Rahul used to make notes. मैं तो स्कूल का कॉपी में जो किया, फिर एक दूसरा कॉपी में मेरे लिए लिखता था पूरा डिट्टो, और भी चीजें लिखता था. And I think your driver Rahul used to come. He came home and sent it once or twice.
Your
my
dad
got it collected from school.
Yeah,
my dad used to come, and then one day, and my mom was actually like, this was so sweet and एकदम पूरा कर देता था. एक और बार guys मेरे को याद है हमारा amazing incident. Okay, हम लोग का घर का जो डोकोमो था ना, वही लाइन उसका बिल नहीं भरा हुआ था, तो ना आउटगोइंग हो रहा था ना इनकमिंग आ रहा था. एंड दैट वाज द ओनली वे इन व्हिच वी कुड टॉक ओवर द फोन ऑल ऑफ अस, ठीक है. सो जस्ट बिकॉज राहुल का बर्थडे इनविटेशन था, मेरे घर पे कॉल ही नहीं जा रहा था. उस समय पेरेंट्स का नंबर नहीं था. Rahul's driver, I still remember the guy with the mustache. I don't remember his name.
There were a couple with a mustache, but whatever.
Yeah, you were a rich guy. Anyway, Rahul stays in Convent.
Keyword were.
Rahul stays in Convent Road, which is like 1 hour from my house. ठीक है ना? He sent the driver to my house with an envelope with an invitation card. And उसके बाद भैया बोले कि एक्चुअली आपका फोन नहीं लग रहा, तो राहुल का बर्थडे था.
पेरेंट्स हैव डन इट.
I have no recollection.
अरे ये नहीं किया होगा, but his parents, and it was so fucking sweet, man. Like Rahul, you're useless, but impart this education to your children. I think uncle and auntie did a very good job for that incident.
Thank you.
बच्चा तो ऐसा निकल गया, वो
I will let them know that they did well.
And since he spoke about Convent Road, I think we need to say this: the best memories, at least one of the closest best memories I've had of school life was at Rahul's house, Green Gate, Convent Road. खेला हम लोग वहाँ, बेसबॉल खिलाया हम लोग वहाँ, फीफा खेलता था, टेबल टेनिस खेलता था, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, झूला वूला सब. एंड
I don't know
इतना बड़ा था ना, it was such a huge place.
Dude, I don't know if you remember, we used to play FIFA 2000 or 2001 at one point of time.
2001.
Yeah, where the lines were flashing.
Fowler or Flower, blah blah blah, who used to play for Liverpool United, वगैरह.
Beckham was in United.
Yeah.
Beckham was in United.
Yes. Class of 92.
And you could, the best part Rahul used to do when he's losing, let's say 2-0 ऐसा कुछ, वो जाके गोलकीपर को फाउल कर देता था. You remember?
वहाँ पर रेड, उस समय रेड कार्ड नहीं
मिलता था पूरा रेड कार्ड. So he's lost hope उस टाइम पे गेम का.
Good 2001 was good, man.
But
Green Gate is amazing, man. Green Gate is amazing.
We used to play table tennis a lot, dude. We used to play a lot of table tennis also every time. It was kind of fun. But I mean, those were good times. And then once we came into senior school, obviously things changed a lot. And only things that remained constant was us. Thank you. Very emotional.
क्या बात है. I think we've had a good childhood, guys, for sure. We've done some. We've got. I mean, even right now, I think there are hundreds of things that we did. I have distinctive memories of each of you. उन्होंने क्या कौन सा चीज कांड किया था. जॉयजीव जाके कोई जोना का बिल्डिंग में जाके कांच तोड़ दिया था.
Oh yeah.
कितना कुछ है यार. What a shot that was. Good shot that was.
You know one thing I never watched, like all of you guys used to watch, but I never watched, was WWE.
Arey bhai, why didn't you? I think because your parents
I was not allowed. It was too much violence.
Even we were also not allowed, but we still watched.
But हम लोग चोरी छुपे देखते थे. Exactly. I mean, what's better than watching grown men in underwear fighting against each other? Good days.
Okay, guys, I think we spoke a lot and had different memories, and I think this gives our listener an idea as to how you can spend time while you're at home, in like a single bedroom or double bedroom, whatever, at home now. Even if you're alone, and how you can spend time and basically have fun. I used to have weird things. It was a very weird thing. I used to play with my fingers a lot when I was a kid. I used to just do
Dinosaur and fight.
Yeah, ऐसा करके some for hours I used to do this. Like my
Oh, I love you, bro. I used to do that
So
while
if-
sitting on the pot. If I take a dump, I used to fight.
yeah. So if you're alone
TMI.
at home, if you have so PM now, I think if you're alone at home and you want to spend time, just do weird shit. Enjoy the subtleties of life. I think that's what it's called. And basically, stay indoors, stay safe. I know it's a difficult time for everyone right now, but the thing that matters is stay safe and keep yourself occupied one way or the other.